the Z Grill blind box for my dad for Father's Day. We got the blue fire beast and we are so excited.
I am extremely satisfied. It was a birthday gift from my mother-in-law and my fiance because they want to be a pain in my butt, but this thing is awesome here.
Hello everyone, my name is Rich Yobes and I purchased a Z Grill through the blind box program. Well, I had a smoker at the house here for a couple years. It was my son's. Now he got married, bought a house, moved out, took the smoker with him, left me without a smoker. Very happy with the blind box program through Z Grills and happy smoking.
U-turn? What do we get? I'm very excited right now. OMG.
It's the grill.
Assembling the grill.
The grill is on the wheels.
Zada.
Hello?
Hello? Who is it?
Who is it?
We've been trying to get a hold of you for your auto warranty.
Oh, the grill is complete.
Did you purchase mystery box?
Yes.
Fantastic selection.
So it's a big day. Nick is really excited because he got his Father's Day present. And I know when he gets home from work, he'll be setting it up on our brand new patio. But I am probably the most excited because I can actually do stuff on it.
This is our new grill. Took us about 4.5 hours to put it together. It was beautifully packed. It came through in great form. And my son cooked salmon on it the other night.
Hey everybody, what's up? I decided to try out the Z Grills Blind Box Challenge. Ended up getting the Bronze Fire Beast. I absolutely love this thing. I don't know what took me so long to get a pellet grill. This is such a great deal for $3.99. I'm absolutely loving it. Thank you Z Grills for the great offer, and I can't wait to continue to cook more and more on it. See you guys.
And what is this? This is our brand new Z Grills grill. What do you guys think?
Good. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah.
What kind of meat should we put in it? Or other food?
Steak.
Steak? What else?
Bacon.
Bacon. What about chicken?
No.
No?
Meat.
What about shrimp?
Yes.
What about vegetables?
No. No vegetables.
Z Grills was offering this blind box deal. They had like 5 different ones, and you didn't know which one you would get, but like the lowest one that they had was still more expensive than what the price was. Just want to encourage you, if you're looking at a pellet smoker, like Z Grills has some really great deals, really affordable. I'll let you know how it is as I actually get to start cooking food on it. So yeah, so super excited. Happy birthday to me.